Tyler's gonna shoot the airsoft rifle. Oh!
My God, he didn't even aim! No, he didn't have the pod done! Hold on, check it. He didn't even aim, he just put it up like, what? Oh, hell no. You missed. No, I didn't, I hit it. Oh, yeah, I hit it. Here.
Got 2 new rifles.
Got 2,000 more in there. You don't need to save those.
Got 2 new rifles.
I guess. You got this, Chase Johnson.
And a pump action.
I'm not gonna get down there.
Alright, I've gotta watch this.
You got it.
Knocked it over.
Yeah.
This is a master right here, everybody.
My first time. I didn't aim.
Yeah, he didn't even aim. I'm gonna knock it over.
Stay clear.
Wait.
3,
Yeah, go.
1.
Oh, you hit the tree.
Yeah.
Hurry, there's bugs all over me. Oh, you hit it.
I don't know if he glazed it.
Smells like weed over here.
Oh no, maybe I think he glazed it. Okay. Going for one more. Air, don't get too close. There you go.
There. Woo.
Okay.
Say bye, Tyler.
Peace.
Show him the rifle.
Come on. This is the rifle.
That's the, what is it called? The pump action? That's the single fire one. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day. Peace out.